Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stripe for TikTok Shop seller payouts in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Stripe for TikTok Shop seller payouts in the USA, begin by accessing the TikTok Shop Seller Center. Log into your TikTok account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Center dashboard. Look for the Payout Settings option in the menu. Click on Payout Settings to start the authorization process. Next, you will see a prompt to connect your Stripe account. If you already have a Stripe account, click on the option to connect it. If you do not have a Stripe account, choose the option to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your Stripe account setup. Make sure to enter all required information accurately. After creating or connecting your Stripe account, TikTok Shop will request necessary permissions. Review the permissions and click Authorize to grant access. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your Stripe account is successfully connected. You should now see your Stripe account listed under the payout settings. Check that the account details are correct to ensure smooth transactions. Once verified, your Stripe account will be ready to receive payouts from TikTok Shop. Make sure to monitor your payouts regularly for any discrepancies. Congratulations! You have successfully authorized Stripe for TikTok Shop seller payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.